OK, we're ready for some scores, gang?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Here we go. Darren Palmer, Bianca and Carla.
This is heaven. Oh my God.
Boom.
We wanted penthouse luxury, and to hear that we hit the mark is cool.
Norm and Jess.
I love it because it looks like concrete.
Aiden and Sarah.
I like how the floor sort of continues up the wall. That works really nicely.
Courtney and Hans.
It works. It still feels luxurious, again, because we come back to this tile.
Kerry and Spence.
I would just like to see that they up the lux factor.
OK, that's pretty tight. Shayna Blaze. Right, Bianca and Carla.
That is so beautiful, and it also brings out the very, rust brown that's in that marble.
Norm and Jess.
It makes it feel so much more expensive.
Hayden and Sarah.
It's very weak styling.
Yeah. It's just confusing. Are you serious?
Courtney and Hans.
I love terrazzo. It's beautiful.
I'm just shaking. Got goosebumps.
Kerry and Spence.
It's almost like the floor and wall tiles are all out by about this much. Wouldn't that drive you insane?
OK, it's going to be a little bit tight going into Neil Whittaker's scores. Be back in a minute.
Cheeky.
OK, Bianca and Carla, Neil Whittaker.
I think they have really grasped the understanding of their potential market.
Norm and Jess.
It's going to be interesting, isn't it?
If you're going to have greenery in your bathroom, that is the way to do it.
Hayden and Sarah.
It's just an ugly choice.
Courtney and Hans.
They're doing a contemporary take on the original heritage of the building.
Kerry and Spence.
It's beautiful, but it's not necessarily special.
OK. The winner of week 1 at the Gatwick, main bathroom week, is by half a point. Courtney and Hart.
Oh my God, we won! Freaking Master Bathroom Week! We won! We won! We won! We won!
Congratulations. What a comeback from last week.
Oh my God. I can't believe it. How did that actually happen? How do we beat the girls in the penthouse by half a mark? Like, their penthouse, it's a penthouse.
Courtney and Hans grabbed the win with 25.5 points.
a mere half a point ahead of Bianca and Carla's 25 points. Norm and Jess weren't far behind on 24.5. Kerry and Spence were fourth with 22.5 points. And Hayden and Sarah came in last with 21.5 points.